Women's health conditions like PCOD, PCOS, PMS, infertility, and all of these nagging, health conditions that come across a woman when she enters from, say, puberty to her reproductive years to perimenopause and then menopause. There are certain specific body and mind health conditions that women keeps going through in all her phases of menstrual cycle. However, healing such conditions, it's not only about medication, it's not only about diet, it's not only about incorporating exercises in your routine. It's about a holistic environment that a female creates for herself, whether it be from the perspective of bringing in the right diet or from the perspective of bringing in the right, yogic practice. All of these things joined together as a lifestyle is where you start to see reversals in your health condition. So I'm conducting a 21-day yoga and Ayurveda program for hormonal health, really designed to help you learn and understand what is female hormonal health, what is it that you need to do from the dietary perspective, so you get a diet plan. I also conduct a 21 days yoga program to help you understand the pattern which you should follow when it is about yoga for hormonal health. And you take all of these learnings back after 21 days to incorporate in your diet and lifestyle on a regular basis and to see how your hormonal health actually starts to change slowly and gradually. Experience what a female health is all made up of, what is it that it actually needs, what is it that it needs to cut down. From the yogic perspective, what are the specific areas that you need to work on. From the Ayurveda perspective, what is that lifestyle and what are certain practices that can actually help you build your hormonal health from the inside. And